Obviously, this is not a great day, but today's the start of tax season, and the government could owe you a little more cash in your refund this year.
Let's hope.
Yeah.
At least if a bill on Capitol Hill goes through. Fox's Mills Hayes live in Minneapolis tonight. Mills, what's the story with this bill?
Hey, John and Christina. Well, the bill is called Tax Relief for American Families and Workers Act. It would lower tax bills for businesses and for families. Now, for people who have children, they get up to $1,600 in a child tax credit. If this bill is passed, that number would increase to $1,800 last year, $1,900 for this year, and $2,000 for next year.
The child tax credit expansion, which is going to affect at least about 15 million children, those are the things that have a direct impact into the benefit of families. Most taxpayers, they use the tax season as the one time they can actually see real savings, because it's been very difficult for most families to save money, especially after the pandemic.
The bill would also give businesses some more tax deductions. But even though it could increase your refund, we don't know yet if it'll pass. And one tax expert told me you shouldn't wait to see if it goes through.
And if you file early, you get your money early. The IRS will fix it on the back end for this new thing if it passes.
In other words, you'll get what the government owes you no matter when you file. Still, 60% of Americans say the federal income tax is very or somewhat unfair, according to a new poll from the Associated Press. On average, Americans receive about $3,000 for tax refunds, and people have until April 15th to file their taxes unless you live in Maine or Massachusetts, and then you have until April 17th. In Minneapolis, Mills Hayes, Fox 10 News.